Hello everyone, this is Tech 20. We're going to go ahead and get started with a Excel tutorial. So we're going to go from Excel from the very basics, like how Excel function, or how Excel actually is, like the entire program itself, all the way up through some advanced stuff. We're going to help you come from knowing pretty much nothing about Excel to coming to knowing quite a bit about Excel. The way I'm going to do these videos, I'm just going to go ahead and name them Excel tutorial. We're going to cover some basics um, in there. I'll give those to you in the description underneath the video. And then after we go ahead and get that started, um, we'll cover the information. I will put a dash at the end out at the title, so 01, 02, 03, and so on and so forth. So then you know which lesson that we're on, so then we're not actually so you can just go ahead and follow along because each lesson is going to build upon something in the previous lesson. Um, I want to hear from you in the comments though, so I need to know if this format's working for you, if you need it in a different format, if something else you think that longer videos, shorter videos would be better for you. I'm trying to keep them as short as possible, just kind of like bite size, get in, hit it, and learn it quickly. Um, and I hope that's working for you. Please do like, subscribe. You're definitely going to want to subscribe because this is going to be updated quite frequently. So then we can go ahead and get Excel up and running for you from zero to hero. All right. Thanks, everybody. I'll see you in the next one.